Creational patterns in CSharp focus on how objects are created in a smart, flexible, and controlled way so your system never becomes tightly coupled or difficult to change. Instead of directly creating objects everywhere in your code, these patterns give you structured ways to build objects based on need, context, and behavior. For example, the Singleton pattern ensures that only one instance exists for something critical like configuration, logging, or caching. The factory method and abstract factory patterns help you create objects dynamically without exposing the creation logic, making the system more extensible and easier to maintain. The builder pattern is perfect when objects are complex, allowing you to construct them step by step while keeping code clean and readable. And the prototype pattern helps when object creation is expensive, allowing you to clone existing objects efficiently. Overall, creational patterns reduce object creation complexity, improve flexibility, increase testability, and make your architecture future-ready. These patterns ensure your project grows without chaos, and your codebase remains professional, scalable, and easy to evolve.